In this video, we will learn about the fundamental concept of props. That is very important concept in ReactJS. Let's start our video. Go to VS Code and open app.js. Then props. What is props? Why it is used? So props is properties that is used to transfer the data from one component to another component, like as from app component to second or main component. Then props cannot be reassigned. If we write props in the main component, that cannot be reassigned in the another component. So if we want to write the JavaScript code, we always write it on the above of return, that is here. So if we want to make the function or any method in the React, we make it on the above function or any class component. So to discuss about props, let's make one example. So props is like as HTML attribute like type, for, etc. Then let's make one props, that is name. I have made name as one props and pass it to main component. So to use it on the main component, let's make one paragraph tag. Inside this, first of all, we should pass the props as parameter in the functional component. Then go to the paragraph tag and write props dot, that is name, which is come from the app component. I have passed name as props and use it on the main.jsx. So to render this, go to the terminal and type, go to the terminal and change directive to your app name. My app name is contact system. Then type npm start. It will run your project in the localhost. It is the props that we pass from the main component to the app component to the another component. How could we know it is props or not? So to know about this, we use React developer tool. So inspect and go to the component. So if you have not downloaded React developer tool, download it. So we have passed props. We have passed props name, that is to the main component. It received the prop as a, that is name. So in this way, we use the props to transfer the data from one component to another component. Let's take another example. Let's pass another props, that is data 24. Then to use this, we should go to the those component where we pass the props. We have sent it on the second component. So to use this as pre tag, then inside curly braces, we should call the props. The name of the props is data. So it will render on the browser, that is 24. So to look at this, you inspect the code and go to components. In the main component, we have passed name as props. In the second component, we pass the data as props. So in this way, we pass the props. Thanks for watching.